It is a genuine honor to be standing here at Eswatini today. At Eswatini Mobile, everything we do is anchored in a vision to be Africa's leading integrated business partner. That vision is not ours alone. It is directly inspired by His Majesty King Mswati III's vision of a first world Eswatini, a kingdom where every citizen has access to tools and technologies they need to thrive. When I walk through these grounds, I do not just see students. I see the next generation of engineers, economists, health professionals, entrepreneurs, from the boardroom to the student residence hall. 100% connected Eswatini is not merely a slogan. It is our commitment and our responsibility. We have always been the most affordable network in this kingdom. The only network that gives you bonus data every time you recharge with 10 or more. Because for us, this partnership with students is about more than just data. It is about creating opportunities, supporting your academic journey, and exploring even more ways we can add value to your lives. We also have something special for you today. After the draw, we have another one where one of you walk out with a brand new Samsung. We hope the winner will appreciate it and use it well. But that phone is more than just a prize. It is a tool that makes it easier to access learning materials, stay connected with lecturers and peers, and continue life without limitations. That is the kind of impact we want to make. To the leadership of UNESCO, thank you for welcoming us as partners and for believing in what this relationship can become. To the students, this is your time. And know that there are people and organizations in this kingdom who are genuinely rooting for you. Eswatini Mobile is one of them, if not the only one in the telecommunications sector. And with that, I would like to say your affordable network genuinely cares for you. Thank you very much.